Welcome to Legoland. This is a 360 video, so be sure you look around.
Alrighty guys, and away we go. Everybody wave bye to those nice kind people on dock because you'll never see them again in your entire lives. Welcome aboard the lovely Coast Cruise. My name is Garrett. I will be your captain and tour guide for the next 333,336 seconds. For your safety, please stay seated, keeping those hands, arms, feet, legs, head, shoulders, knees, and toes inside the boat at all times. And parents, please keep an eye on those little ones so our tour doesn't take any unexpected turns. But guys, go ahead and take a quick look down underneath your seats and pull out those safety belts and buckle them from right to left. If you guys haven't figured out, I'm just kidding, they do not exist. Off the left hand side, guys, we do have Rocky the Water Buffalo. Rocky the Water Buffalo is a big guy. He does consist of 85,000 Lego bricks. But most people do confuse with what parents tell their little boys on the first day of school. Bye, son. Off to the right hand side, we do have the proud mama and papa turtles, Bob and Gertrude. Bob and Gertrude have been waiting on that shoreline for the past 19 years for their turtle eggs to hatch. They can come out at any moment if you know what I mean. Both Bob and Gertrude both do consist of 5,600 Lego bricks. Up ahead, guys, are Bronzy and Pete, the two helpful dinosaurs who helped build Legoland California. Off the left-hand side is Bronzy, the hardest working red dinosaur. He does consist of 184,000 Lego bricks. And Pete, that lazy green one to the right-hand side, he does consist of 102,000 Lego bricks. Watch out, guys, get down, cover your heads, get down! Whoa, Nelly Joe, that was really close. You guys would have been blasted with 19 years of slimy green disgusting waters. Ew. Everybody wave hi to those mainlanders to the left-hand side and tell them how much fun you're having! Woo!
People up here, he said wave at the people on the mainland.
As we leave the dinosaurs behind us, we're now approaching the coast of Africa. Off to the left is Elsie the elephant. She is a big girl. She does consist of 26,200 Lego bricks.
I don't know how much longer I can hang on. Whoa, down below. Ah!
Jeff, hold on.
I got it. Just hang on.
Whoa! Ah!
Oh no, Jeffrey's gone. Unfortunately, guys, my friend Jeffrey's been hanging to that same place for the past 19 years. I really don't think he's going to Lego anytime soon. Alrighty folks, as we leave the boarding stop behind us, we now begin the world tour section of our journey here at the Coast Cruise. Off to the left, you guys can see the London Eye and the Big Ben clock tower that features a real working clock. The Big Ben clock tower does consist of 784,000 Lego bricks, and the Big London Eye does consist of 107,000 Lego bricks. Fun facts about this London Eye, guys. In the real life, the Big London Eye is the world's tallest Ferris wheel in the entire world. It takes approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes for it to do one full circular rotation. If you guys can do the math, it goes around twice. That must be one boring Ferris wheel ride. You guys better have a good phone service and great phone battery. If not, that will be a very boring 3 hours. As we say toodaloo and cheerio to the lovely town of London, England, we are now approaching the Lionsgate Bridge. Yeah! Why they call it the Lionsgate Bridge, I have no idea. There are lions, but there is no gates. I know it by another name, and it's not by the Lionsgate Bridge. I like to call it the Waffle Bridge. The reason why I call it the Waffle Bridge is because that's what it looks like on the inside. If you guys don't get my joke, then it's just over your heads. Off the left-hand side, guys, we do have the Taj Mahal that was built in the 17th century that took 120,000 workers and over 22 years to complete. Wow. Ours didn't take nearly as long. Ours only took 72 hours and does consist of 134,000 Lego bricks. As we leave the country of India, we are now approaching the City of Love. You guys don't know what the City of Love is? You may know it as Paris, France, home to the wonderful Eiffel Tower and the delectable, delicious croissants. Oh. The real Eiffel Tower was designed and created by Gustave Eiffel in 1889. The real Eiffel Tower stands at 1,200 feet tall and weighs 1,000 tons. Ours is not nearly as tall or weigh that much. Ours stands at 12 feet tall and weighs 152 pounds and does consist of 122,000 Lego bricks. Wasn't that just fabulous? As we say au revoir to the city of France and the rest of the world, we are coming to the USA. Oh, fun! Specifically towards the Black Hills of South Dakota. If you guys don't know where that's at, you may formerly know it as Mount Rushmore, where 4 of our famous presidents' heads have their heads carved into a mountain of stone. Looks like they have a message for us. Let's hear what they gotta say.
We have company. What? What's the matter, George? Afraid to face them. What? Come on, George. Don't you have a backbone?
Honestly, you two.
Those people are listening. Quit picking on George.
Oh, come on, Lincoln. Where's your sense of humor?
It's been 70 years since you said something funny, Teddy. And it'll be 4 years until you do again. Just ignore them, George. What?
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen if you guys' heads get a little too big. You're gonna need more gigantic Lego Q-tips to clean it out. Ouch. Coming up ahead, guys, is Miniland USA, home to some of our iconic cities here in the US, featuring our very own Death Star from the Star Wars series to the left. Miniland features the fabulous Las Vegas Strip, the San Francisco Bay to the left-hand side, and just ahead, New York City. Off to the left, you guys can see the Statue of Liberty. Sadly, ours isn't as tall as the one in real life, but she does stand proudly at 5.5 feet tall and consists of 204,000 Lego bricks. Does anybody want to take a guess on how many Legos it took to build New York City? 0. $10 million is a little too much. Any other guesses? 7 million is still too little. It took 8.5 million Legos to build New York City in approximately 320,000 hours. Of course, I'm just kidding. It didn't really take that long. It took roughly about 1 month to build. So if you guys can do the math, that there's 24 hours in 1 day and 30 days in a month. If you guys can find that off the top of your head, you guys are obviously very, very smart. Unfortunately, I'm a failure in life and flunked in both high school and college at math, so that's why I work here. Coming up ahead, guys, is that Lionsgate Bridge one more time. It is a Coast Cruise tradition that we give our loudest, scariest line words to scare those mainlanders crossing the bridge and scare those lions right off their pedestals. Let's give it a try on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was sad. Let's give it another try on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you for part of the vote. I'm assuming the rest of us are tiny, cute little lions that haven't found our roar yet, and are quite possibly baby boomers and won't get very far in life. Off the left-hand side, guys, we do have the New England Harbor, where a lot of things can happen on the shoreline. You never know what will happen. It looks like there's a rescue mission coming up ahead. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Oh no, Gulliver. He looks a little seasick, don't you think? I would be too if I was strapped down on my back and sniffing this water for 19 years. You know what? I think we can get him back up on his feet again with a little bit of plastic surgery. Off to the right-hand side, guys, we do have Otto the Octopus and the Fab 5. My pal Otto the Octopus over there does consist of 833,000 Lego bricks. The entire band does consist of almost 1 million Lego bricks. Does anybody have any idea how many tentacles my friend Otto the Octopus has? No, it's not 8. He has 10 tickles. That's a real knee slapper. Well, it looks like we're ending the journey here at the Jungle Cruise. My name is Garrett. I'm sorry. That's the wrong theme park. That's at Disneyland. You guys are here at Legoland. Thank you guys for joining me here aboard the Coast Cruise. My name was Garrett and I was your captain and tour guide. Thank you guys for laughing at my horrible puns and terrible jokes. Please stay seated until my friend Alyssa on that dock give you guys the okay to go ahead and stand up and exit to your left to avoid taking a plunge in the 19 years of disgusting slimy green seas and getting a tetanus shot. You guys, the safest way and fastest way to get out is to step down onto the seat first, then onto the dock.